Welcome, shipmates. Today is Tuesday, October 1st, and I'm Harrison Duncan.
And I'm Mason Greenhalgh. Attention students and staff, October is National Bullying Awareness and Prevention Month. Please continue to teach each other with decency and respect on a daily basis. Please be sure to make staff aware of any instances of bullying or harassment. Bullying reports can be found on the Wycomico County Public Schools website. Any teacher or staff member can assist you if needed. If you have signed up for the Step Up After School program, please make sure to sign up daily during your lunch shifts. There will be a binder in the front of the cafeteria. Continue to get your registration packets to Mr. Lewis in the office. If you want to know more, come see Mr. Lewis.
There will be a book club meeting on Friday, October 11th, right after school in Miss McGann's room, G218. We will be discussing the book What I Saw and How I Lied by Julie Blundell. Attention seniors, it's time to vote on your prom theme, class song, motto, flower, and color. Vote now at clipper.wcboe.org/polls.
The deadline to turn in the audition forms for Rock and Roll Revival 2020 is Friday, October 4th. Forms are available in the main office and band room. To show your interest in participating as a band member, singer, and stage crew, auditions will take place the week of October 7th through 10th. Band tryouts Mondays, October 7th in the auditorium at 5 p.m. Dancers and singer auditions will be October 8th, 9th, and 10th at 5:30 in the auditorium. If you'd like the chance to be a rock and roll star, please be sure to fill out and turn in your forms by Friday, October 4th in the band room. Rock and Roll Revival is a huge community event and is a great PTSA fundraiser that supports activities throughout our school. For anyone interested in mock trial, the first interest meeting will be tomorrow in room G221 at 3 o'clock. The James Bennett mock trial team has been in the circuit champion of the Eastern Shore for 9 years in a row and has gone to state semifinals in Annapolis 2 years in a row, and they want you.
Students, do you like art, engineering, community service, hanging out with your friends, or all of the above? Check out Destination Imagination. The interest meeting is tomorrow at 3 o'clock in E210. The Speech and Debate Club will be holding a meeting after school today in room E213 until 3:45. We hope to see you there, debaters.
In sports, a huge congratulations to the girls varsity volleyball team on an outstanding 3-1 win against Queen Anne's. It was an exciting match. Hannah Mills controlled the court with 28 assists and 8 service points. Paige Jensen had 18 service points and 6 kills. Emily Wright defended the court with 8 digs. Lauren Ela contributed to the win with her outstanding tips. Finally, Morgan Esham had not 1, not 2, but 18 kills and 11 blocks. The team played with so much passion. Thank you very much, team. We are very proud of you here at JMB. The Clipper girls soccer squad took the long trip to Denton yesterday evening and came away with a 3-1 win against North Carolina. On a crisp and chilly evening, the girls, despite giving up a goal 30 seconds into the match, dominated and were worthy of the dub via Liv Owens. She leveled the game before the half. In the second half, number 11 Callie Mack stepped up with 2 bullets to spring the Clippers to victory and are 5-2 on the season.
JMB Cheer is seeking 2 new volunteers to be our Red Morph Men or Morph Ladies to help out bring our Red Out spirit and continue our tradition. Interested? See any JMB cheerleader. Let's hear it for the JV volleyball team for taking down the Queen Anne's Lion yesterday by beating them 2-0. The team did amazing on the front line. We had Tristan Williams with 3 insane blocks and 3 kills. Brooke Hammer and Lillian Gordon both had 5 kills and 3 digs. And we can't forget about Kat Brock with 8 service points. Come out tomorrow, Wednesday the 2nd, for our next home game.
To celebrate International Day of the Girl, Wycomico County Robotics will be hosting a GirlPowered Workshop on Saturday, October 12th. This workshop is meant to engage and inform young women about STEM and robotics. The workshop will include hands-on activities, robotic demonstrations, and a girl-powered pledge station, and even a keynote speaker. If interested, please contact Mrs. Miles at jmiles@wcboe.org. And that's all we have for you today, JMB.
Have a great day, JMB.